You've heard the old saying, the camera never lies? Baloney. That itself is a lie. The camera lies constantly, thanks to programs like Adobe Photoshop, the program that magazines use to put movie stars' heads on different bodies or bring two estranged lovers closer together on the cover. But magazine covers are only the beginning. People also use Photoshop every day to adjust the brightness or contrast, to adjust the color tone of a photo, or to erase unwanted elements altogether. Last month saw the release of the 11th version of Photoshop. It's now a 15-year-old program, Photoshop CS2. I'll show you a couple of the big-ticket new items. The first is Bridge, an accessory program that's sort of a photo browser for your entire hard drive. It lets you see your photos, look at statistics about them, and even crop or adjust them en masse. That's especially useful when you're processing RAW files, very big photo files that you can edit in spectacular ways, like changing the exposure of this photo so much you can even see what color the boat was. Or check this out, the new Vanishing Point feature. With 4 quick clicks, you define the plane of some rectangular space that recedes into the distance. At that point, anything you paint or paste conforms perfectly to that perspective. You probably won't use this feature very often, but when you need it, you really need it. Oh yeah, Photoshop also now has a spot healing brush that works even better than Oxy 5. Now, with 494 menu commands, Photoshop is still massively complicated. If you don't use it every day, you're probably better off with a simpler program like Photoshop Elements, iPhoto, or Picasa. But if editing or retouching photos is a daily part of your life, spend the $150 for the upgrade. You'll find that it's easier than ever to make the camera lie.